Like one of the biggest changes you've seen?
Thought about barbers, they were older people. Now you think about barber, they're young people.
I've been in cutting in 2008. I was in my first barbershop. When you were a barber back then, I could feel like you were more humble. I feel like guys like me built this industry till now, that put their heart and soul into barbering to elevate the fade and the tapers and the lineup. I think the biggest thing that disappoints me nowadays is seeing barbers not appreciate what we built for them. You make 200 in 2 hours now.
Damn,
You
bro.
make $100 an hour almost. It sucks to see some barbers like that and not appreciate where the game is now.
I heard this conversation pop up a few times with a lot of the older guys. I mean, I guess I could consider myself an OG as well. I came into the industry, haircuts was like 10. They moved up to 15 when I started to get a little bit more professional, and then it started to elevate from 20 to 25 and then on forth. So nowadays, like, a guy comes into the industry and let's just say you at 40, 45, 50 or whatever, they are cut for like 6 months and think that, you know what, maybe I should charge 50, 60 a cut. And it didn't used to be like that. Like, people used to have to grind hard for $10 and $15. Like, they giving head, face, eyebrows, wash, $15. You know what I mean? Like, and let's be honest, that's a lot of work for the money. So I really get what he's saying. Like, the new guys don't really respect it the same way as what I would consider I did when I first came into the industry. It was a real thing. Like, you were so happy when prices changed from 15 to 20. You treat that customer so different. Like, you give them an extra type of treatment because they was giving you an extra 5 on what you was asking. You know, it was a big deal. I really respect what he's saying. What y'all think? Like, do the new generation respect it like the old school? Or are they just money hungry? Are they just in it for the money? Are they just caring about how much money they could just bring in and how fast they can bring it in? Do you think that they got that same love, that same energy, that same passion as what we had when we first started in this industry? Let me know down below. It's FadeMasterLos.